I've spent thousands on reps over the past 6 years, and out of everything I own, these are the best items I'd actually get for back to school. And even if you're not in school, don't worry, there's stuff in here for you too. Every item in here is under $50 and some even as low as $1. There will be a variety of items split between 5 categories, starting with shoes, then accessories, then bags, then cologne, and lastly, clothes. Everything shown in this video will be in my free Discord spreadsheet in the description, along with thousands of other unique items. Make sure to watch the whole video because every single item here is the best value you can get for the price, and I guarantee you like at least one of them. Every item was purchased through KakoBuy. If you're not already familiar with KakoBuy, they're pretty much just a shipping agent that allows us to buy from the Chinese marketplace. If you don't know how to use them, I have a full guide in my Discord in the description. Now let's get right into it. Starting with the shoes, I ended up getting 4 different shoes at different price points and different styles. First, I got these New Balance 1906Ds. Honestly, 1906s are becoming my new favorite shoe. They used to be these that I'm wearing right now, but I'm not gonna lie, I like this style a lot more. This link was only $23 in my Discord spreadsheet down in the description, but these ones feel super good. All the stitching looks perfect, tongue tag. I can literally see no difference from this and the ones shown in stores. I wouldn't even bother trying to buy a more expensive version of this shoe. This $23 batch is way more than enough. I rate these a 10 out of 10. Next, we got something basic, but I feel like it's a must, some Yeezy slides. They're just super easy to wear, and they're honestly some of the most comfiest shoes I've ever had. Also, this is a brand new batch I got. This one was only $8, and I'm not gonna lie, they already feel really good and just as comfortable as the $17 ones. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they feel the exact same. They do have to be broken in a little bit once you get them, but once they're broken in, it's the comfiest thing you will have in your closet. But everything looks good on these. There is a little dent right there, but that was from shipping. I'm sure it'll go back to its normal shape soon. It's got the Adidas logo right there. The bottoms are perfect. Honestly, for the price and quality of these, I rate these a 10 out of 10. Next, we got something a little bit more expensive and a little bit more designer for you guys. We got some off-white Be Right bags. This was around $40 in my spreadsheet, and I'm not gonna lie, I hated on these at first, but they're honestly growing on me a lot. I feel like if you wear these with some baggy sweats, they're super clean, and they feel heavy and just like a really high quality shoe. The tongue tag's good. Everything on these are good. I honestly have no idea how these feel though. Okay, it gives you a little bit of height boost. Yo, I feel like the bottom is ripping up my carpet though. This is like you're wearing cleats. It's all spiky, but I'm not gonna lie, they feel really comfortable. Yeah, I actually like these a lot. I usually don't like designer shoes, but I might be starting to get into it a little bit. I also rate these a 10 out of 10. Next, we have another simple shoe, but I just feel like you have to have them. There's some Air Force Ones, but Travis Scott edition. These were $27 in my spreadsheet, and honestly, everything looks perfect. They feel super good too. I don't know why anybody would buy these in stores. And the link in the spreadsheet has like 20 other colorways of this with a bunch of different collabs. I think normal Air Force Ones are like 17 bucks from there, so that's a super good price. There's not much more to say about these. I rate these a 10 out of 10. And guys, I'm for real not trying to say 10 out of 10 for everything, but I did make sure to get the best items I know for this haul. Now let's move on to the accessories. Next, we have this North Face backpack. I'm pretty sure in store these go for like 150 bucks, and I ended up getting this one for only 15. I honestly don't even know how they can make a backpack that cheap, but it's got all the logos right. Everything looks good, but honestly the real test is the zippers. Usually on backpacks and stuff, Chinese zippers are not that good. Dang. This is exactly like the one you get in store. It's got a ton of room inside. Oh, this zipper isn't that good. It's alright. I mean, I'm sure the retail one's like that too. This backpack has a ton of room. I like it. I rate this a 10 out of 10 also. Next, we have something a little bit more expensive, but still not bad at all. LV backpack. I already have like 3 other ones like this, and this was from a $28 link. Like, that's actually insane. I already know this is amazing quality. The zippers are really good on this. They did everything right. The leather feels good. This is the back of it. Literally everything on this backpack is good, and for $28, it's a steal. 10 out of 10. And next for accessories, I got these Nike socks. They were only $1.80 for 3 pairs in a pack, which means they're only like 60 cents per pair. But these ones are super good quality. They're way thicker than normal Nike socks in store. They look better, they don't rip. These are literally the best socks you get for like 10 times cheaper. I literally make sure to get some of these every single time I ship out a haul. I got all these ones, all these, all these, all these, and all these. all in my last haul. And I think this is over 80 pairs of socks. Plus, I think I have like over 100 pairs from all my previous hauls. So I think I have a lifetime worth of socks right now. But these socks are like an 11 out of 10. Next, we got this LV card holder. I think this was $8. And it's just a normal card holder. Two slots, middle pocket. And it feels good. But something you gotta add to it to flex is this $1 black Amex. But only pull out that part, because I don't think this part or this part really looks the same. That's pretty cool to keep in your wallet. I rate this a 9 out of 10. Next, we got this $3 Chrome Hearts wallet. The leather on this actually feels really good. The silver just feels normal. Opening it up, I don't know what picture they put in there. But this is a nice little wallet, little flip open. You got a pocket up there, 3 card holders only, and then a spot for your driver's license or ID. This one's not bad at all, especially since it's only $3. I would say this is an item so small that it's just worth adding to your next haul. But since it doesn't have a lot of room, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Next, we have something else to add to your pocket. We got a red key. It's got the SRT and red eye logo right there. The front has all the buttons, and this has the weight and feel of a real key. This was only like $5, so it's not bad. It's something funny. I rated it a 7 out of 10. Next, we have a Chrome Hearts bracelet. Dang, this is really shiny actually. This is pretty nice. I'll show it closer so you guys could see. But this is not bad at all. This was like 50 cents, and I got like 10 of them. These are definitely worth adding. The same link for these bracelets also have a necklace and other designs, but this actually feels and looks really good. For the price, I rate this a 9 out of 10. Next, we have a Rimowa phone case. Whether you're in school or not, rotating out phone cases is super nice. And this was only $8 in my spreadsheet. It comes with the card in there, correct packaging. I literally see links for this exact one for like $25 plus. And the fact that I found this for $8 is insane. It feels good. I'm pretty sure it all looks the same, but $8, I have no complaints. This is a 10 out of 10. Next, I got colognes. I ended up getting Xerjoff, Baccarat, and Creed Aventus. I know a lot of people sell these. I don't know how much I would actually recommend that. And I also don't know if I'd spray it on the skin either. I guess there's not really a way of telling what they exactly put in here. Opening these up, I hope they don't leak. And I'm hoping they smell close to the same, because I feel like it would still be safe to spray on your clothes. Dang, the packaging for this is nice. This is it right here. I honestly think they got all the packaging right. If you wanted to buy a bunch of these to put on your shelf, I would say it's not that bad. These are only like $8 a bottle. Shipping will be a little bit more expensive because it is liquid. So ship these out separately than your clothing haul. The cap of this is loose. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. All right, but let's spray it. I don't know if I've ever smelled the real one of this before. Dang. Dude, I'm not even lying. This smells pretty good. It's definitely a going out type of cologne. Yo, and it's strong. I feel like you could spray this on your clothes. I feel like it'll last a few hours. Dude, Rep Cologne is not that bad. I can't lie. I just wouldn't spray it on the skin, but besides that, it's not that bad. Let's see if it leaks. Please don't. Cool, it doesn't leak. All right, next, let's try the Baccarat. Supposedly, this is supposed to smell really good. Again, I never smelled the real one of this before. Dang, the packaging for this is nice too. Okay, this huge box for this small little bottle. Pretty sure this stuff costs like $300, no? Are we getting this little of a bottle for $300? Good thing we got it for like $8. But this is it up close. It actually looks really good. It feels good. Looks good. I don't know how they get the bottles of these like perfect. I feel like that'd be hard to rep, like harder than clothes and everything. The cap's good too. Let's take it off. First, we're gonna do a leak test. That's so risky. We're good. It doesn't leak. All right, let's smell it. Ooh, that actually smells super good. Yo, what? How can they rep cologne like this? It's a fruity, kind of daily smell. You could kind of wear it for anything. It's like a universal. This smells really good, I can't lie. All the links for everything will be in my Discord spreadsheet down in the description. This is insane. All right, let's try out the last one. Xerjoff. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'll show you guys the packaging up close. To me, it looks good. This packaging is fire. Dang. Yo, this bottle is sick. Came with this, whatever that is, unless it fell out. Let's take it out. I don't know if this is actually how it's supposed to look. It doesn't say Xerjoff or a logo on it or nothing. It has like a seahorse on it. That's supposed to be glue. That's supposed to be glue for this. Okay, now it looks better, but I don't think the glue will hold it. No. Okay, I think mine came a little flawed. I could put more glue and put this on. Or maybe I just gotta stick it harder. Okay, it's a lot stronger now. I can't really rip it off. But this is what it looks like now. I'm excited to smell this stuff. So far, the smell tests have been amazing. And this is a pretty popular cologne. This one's definitely the most unique. I don't really know how to describe it. I think it's a fresh citrus. So it's kind of more of a summer daily. That's the vibes I'm getting from it. I don't know too much about perfume, but it's actually really good. I'm not gonna lie, I had 4 more that I was saving for a different video, but these ones that have been going so good, I just kind of want to test them now. I'll make it quick. All right, next we got the 1 million perfume. All right, let's see. Okay, that one's strong. That one's a woody fresh. It seems kind of like a nighttime going out. Really good though. It smells good. All these smell good. I expected them to smell like trash. Next, we have Valentino. I don't mess with that one. It's got a smell I don't like. Next, we got Versace Eros Flame. This one is supposed to be super good, but I'm expecting like a woody. I don't mess with it. It has like a spice. Next, we have this super popular Dior Sauvage. I've smelled this one in stores before. I do not mess with this one. I think it's super overrated. Yeah, that one's trash. I mean, it does smell like the one in stores though. Next, we have clothes. I ended up getting 3 shorts, 3 t-shirts, 1 hoodie, and 2 pairs of pants. They're all split between different price points and different styles, so I'm sure there's gonna be one that you like. First, we have these Mason Margiela shorts. These ones are clean. I just feel like they're a little bit too skinny, like they'd be too skinny on the leg, and I don't know if I mess with the cut design on the bottom. And these were $14. They're not bad, they just are too skinny there. I feel like maybe if I buy a bigger size or 2. And just for reference, I'm 145 pounds and 5'10", and this is a size medium. I feel like if you sized up, they could be better. 8 out of 10. Next, we got these big boy jorts. I feel like this is a pretty good length for jorts. It doesn't go all the way down to your ankle. It doesn't sit too far up by the knee. There's the tag. And I feel like it's a pretty good color too. I like them. I give them a 9 out of 10. And I think these were around $18. Next, we got these $11 essential shorts. These shorts are honestly so amazing for the price. The text is embroidered in. They have a really heavy and soft feeling to them. And they literally look identical. The long drawstrings, the logo, they literally made these perfect. I would say these are some of my favorite shorts. 10 out of 10. Next, we got this gallery department shirt. It was only $12 in my spreadsheet, but it has a really nice feel and weight to it. I did get a size medium, and I'm not gonna lie, it fits pretty big. I definitely could have got a size small on this. Otherwise, really nice. 9 out of 10. Next, we got this Represent t-shirt. This was only $14, and it honestly looks so amazing. It doesn't feel like this print would come off in the wash. And for this one, I got a size medium, and it honestly fits really good. 10 out of 10. Next, we got this $3 blank t-shirt. It feels like it has a really good thickness and weight to it, and for $3, you can't go wrong. I got a size extra large in this. 6 out of 10. Next, we got this new season Essentials zip up. This one is super clean. By far my new favorite Essentials hoodie. I ended up getting this in 3 different colors as well. It has a tag on the hood and then a tag on the sleeves. And this was only $14. 10 out of 10. And then getting into the pants, I got these black wash straight jeans. I honestly feel like they might be too straight. If they were a little bit more baggy, I think I would have liked them more. I mean, honestly, they're not bad. They feel good. They are a little bit baggy. It's honestly a pretty good baggy look. It's kind of more casual. I actually mess with these a lot. I rate them a 9 out of 10. And I think these were only around $15. Next, we got these black Balenciaga sweatpants. I usually see links for these for $28, and I found a link for only $14. This is the writing up close. It's really high quality. These are definitely the best priced ones you could get. I think I got these a size large, and honestly, I think I could have went up one size because I don't like all this space between my legs. If it was a little bit more baggy, I think it would have been better. But for the quality and price, I rate these a 10 out of 10. And those are the best rep items to get for back to school. All of these were super good quality and can be found in my Discord in the description. I also host giveaways in there 24/7, so make sure to join. Comment which item was your favorite, and I'm picking a random comment to win $20 KakoBuy balance. Make sure to like the video if there was something you liked. Lastly, if you don't know how to buy from an agent, I'd recommend watching this video on screen. Now, without wasting any more time, thank you guys so much for watching the video.